Hey there, creative kids and awesome parents. With Halloween just around the corner, it's time to get spooky and creative. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 3 super fun and easy DIY Halloween costumes using things you already have at home. Our first costume is a classic, every kid's favorite, the superhero. You only need an old t-shirt and some creativity. Let's turn this into a super cool cape. Cut along the side seams of the t-shirt, removing the front part. And there you have it, a cape. Draw your favorite superhero logo, cut it out, and tape it to the back of your cape. Boom! Instant superhero. Next, let's make some adorable animal ears. Perfect for a last-minute costume like a cat, bunny, or even a bear. Cut 2 ear shapes from construction paper. Color them, and tape or glue them onto a headband. Easy, right? Finally, here's a spooky twist on the classic ghost costume. Take a bedsheet and cut out 2 eye holes. Use markers to draw silly or spooky faces on the sheet. Look at that! A funny, happy ghost ready for trick-or-treating. Whether you're a superhero, an adorable animal, or a funny ghost, you're ready to impress this Halloween. Thanks for watching, and happy Halloween. Stay spooky.